Forest River Model 386x12 for sale in Bernice, Louisiana 71222. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2012 Forest River Thunderbolt XLR. This fifth wheel is 43 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 10 guests. It has been outfitted with 3 slides and can be used with or without gooseneck attachment. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal use, which has enabled its clean condition. This Forest River fifth wheel RV is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities throughout, you can easily make this spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include master bedroom, walk-around queen bed closet/wardrobe area walk-through bathroom with corner shower living room kitchen extra large sofa overhead loft garage 2 power drop-down BedsPower bed converts into DinetteFireplaceMicrowaveFull oven large double door fridge/FreezerFour flat screen televisions updated, surround sound, speakers 5500W Onan GeneratorTwo power Awings with LED lights power stabilizer JacksNew CarburetorOutside SpeakersLarge exterior pass-through StorageWasher and dryer hookup and much more. This 2012 Forest River Thunderbolt XLR is the ideal setup for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams come true. Perfect for anyone looking to create lasting memories with loved ones and friends. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to truly cherish your RV experiences because this fifth wheel is priced well below its true value. Call today for more information on how this incredible Forest River fifth wheel can be yours.